information. What we want to try to do, though, is not super long answers.
Yeah.
Right? So that's why we tried to do some redundancy in some of the questions.
Okay.
So that you don't have to feel like you have to say everything at one time. And if you feel like you're not crazy about how you said something, we'll just say it again.
I mean, yeah, I could cover it in 15 minutes or 15, 20 minutes.
Yeah, that's fine. We'll be fine. So what I'll do is
And if I'm going on, I mean, just, you can signal that.
Yeah.
That's enough.
Yeah, that's fine.
Is this the final setup?
Are you happy with it? Would Cindy be happy?
And then those are my books right there.
Okay. Are those the ones we're taking, or are we just taking pictures of them?
Well, the Amazon one was out of stock, and
Okay, so if we wanted, we'll just order
so
them.
it's back in now. I could have it sent directly to you
Okay.
if you want, no problem.
Okay. We'll check with Cindy and see, and then we'll make sure we get some shots of these.
But these are my hard copies,
Okay.
hardback.
Cool.
Okay. I need just to clip the mic on somewhere.
Okay.
Just anywhere on your shirt, and then you can just put this right behind you.
So
This goes on your jacket or your shirt or something.
all
Probably
right,
the
like
jacket, 'cause
lapel.
it's dark.
Yeah.
I like that shirt.
Should I take the jacket off? It would.
It's up to you. Whatever.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. It looks good with the jacket, and then the clip
Okay.
will probably blend in a little bit.
So I guess.
That should be fine. I'll listen to it right now.
And then I put this.
Just somewhere. I would probably wrap it around the right side so that way you don't. Yeah. And you can just like clip it wherever. Just in case you move, it'll move.
Okay.
Yeah, you can't even see it really. Okay.
Oh, you can?
No, you can't.
Can't. Oh, the wire.
The wire won't show because it's really only going to be from here up.
Okay.
So you'll be fine. So what I'll do is I'll start with a question, and then at the end of every answer, we'll pause for a few minutes, and so just keep gazing into my eyes, and then we'll move to the next one. We want to make sure we have some nice stopping points and some facial expressions that
Oh,
that we'll
okay.
catch. So, and I'll just view me as someone who's really asking the questions for the first time, and you're answering those like a one-on-one conversation. And then what we'd like to do is we have some of the shots where we'll do like your handwriting and maybe on the computer, if we can jump in and do a whiteboard, or writing on the whiteboard. And then we did do some neat things outside with Lisa, walking on the sidewalk. If we could take like maybe 10-15 minutes, we can do some outside shots that'll be no talking, just kind of capturing additional footage.
All right.
Does that sound okay?
Sounds good. Mm-hmm.
Good. So let's test everything.
Yeah. Okay. I need you to sit wherever you're gonna sit.
And I'm looking at you, Deanie. I'm not looking up at the camera.
Right, I'm gonna sit in this chair. I'll scoot it over and then let's double check and make sure that that's okay, or do I need to stand?
You might need to stand just so that way, because Lisa looked at the camera, but kind of like you were kind of right behind the camera with Lisa,
Right.
so it might be better if you stand just so that way he's both looking at you and the camera.
Okay.
Let me see what that says.
So I think we should move to the left because we're getting the bookshelves, like the wood. We're getting the other bookshelf on the right.
Oh, okay. You're getting like the middle. Will you just scoot a tad? There we go. You don't really get the end anymore. Does that look okay? You think it looks okay? For another set?
I feel like it's too much from the top down.
Yeah.
Can you put the camera right here?
What do you mean?
Like on this ground right here?
Like right in front of him?
Well, no, like right here.
Oh.
I'm just thinking that would be
Yeah.
level.
Because I didn't really like the top down, but I like the idea that it was on.
Yeah.
Probably don't want anything in my lap, do I?
You can because it's not in the shot. You're really from like here.
Okay.
So you're okay. The only thing we wouldn't want is for the paper sounds to get picked up by the
All the
Yeah.
mics.
Okay.
by the mic.
All right.
So you know the
I'm just-
information though, and we can say it as many times as we need. Right?
Take two.
Oh, so much better. The only thing is it's not proportion. Like I'm gonna have to zoom in a lot.
You have more room to get closer to. Did you have a nice holiday?
I did. Yeah. Not long enough.
Yeah. I know, it seems like it's great, you get 4 or 5 days off, but Sunday still feels the same, doesn't it? Like, ugh.
Yeah.
It just wasn't enough.
Like there should be Monday too, or
Right. I guess whatever day it is still gonna be the downer day, right?
probably.
Does that look? I think that looks a lot better.
Yeah, I like that. Should be a little more this way.
Yeah. What?
So that's good.
Will you just move a little bit to the right?
To
This-
your right.
Yeah. Not good. Yeah, there isn't a good way. We're still gonna get the end of one bookshelf. Okay. A little bit to my left, this way.
That's probably perfect.
Yeah.
That's perfect, don't move. Okay, so while this camera won't move, and I'll sit right behind it actually, so I'll look through the camera and just make eye contact with me.
With you.
Yeah. Ashley's going to have that hand camera, and she's going to be around like doing some freewheeling shots
Okay.
underneath, so just ignore her.
Yeah.
Like
Okay.
she's not here. Should I move this, or do we want to keep this here?
I would just keep it there, just,
Okay, it won't be in your way.
no.
Is that other chair there for you, or?
You can,
Oh, you know what, I'll just grab this one, because I don't want to move the camera.
Oh,
I have
it's out in the hall there. Okay.
well then just clap before, so that way I know when all the audio things.
But the other chair is right there, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
We moved it out just when we were adjusting stuff.
I think we're ready.
Yeah. Deanie's gonna clap just to sync all the cameras and
Because I
stuff.
like to peek up
Yeah.
there when it's, okay. So, if he looks at me like this, does it look like, are you looking at me? How does that look? For the camera?
I mean, I can see you through the camera.
Yeah, just look straight through the camera. I think that looks good because he's still coming at the camera.
Yeah, I mean, I can't really see you, but can you?
But I can see you.
We're not gonna be gazing at each other's eyes.
I won't be hanging over here.
So, okay, so good. So we can, what we'll do is we'll start with your introducing yourself, and we can really just make that